Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will dive straight into how to manage guest access on Asana. This will help you control who can see and edit your projects, making your workflow more secure and organized. First off, log into your Asana account and navigate to the project you want to manage guest access for. This step allows you to select a specific workspace where you want to invite or remove guests. Remember, guests can only access the projects they're invited to, so choose carefully. Next up, click on the Share button at the top right corner of your project. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can manage access. This is where you can control who gets to see your project and what they can do with it. Now, to add a guest, simply type in their email address into the Add People box and click Invite. The reason we do this is to give specific people access to your project without giving them full access to your entire Asana workspace. This helps us because it allows for collaboration while maintaining privacy and control over your workspace. To remove a guest, you'll need to click on their name, then select Remove Access. This is important because it allows you to manage who has ongoing access to your projects, ensuring only relevant team members or collaborators can view and edit your work. If you want to change a guest's access level, click on their name and select either Can Edit or Can Comment. This gives you control over what your guests can do within your project. It's especially useful when you want to limit the actions of certain guests. Let me explain why this matters. Having control over guest access in Asana allows you to work more efficiently with external collaborators while keeping your internal work secure. It's all about balancing openness with control. And there you have it. A simple and efficient way to manage guest access on Asana, ensuring your workspace remains secure and productive. Remember, the key is to carefully control who has access to what, ensuring everyone can do their jobs without unnecessary barriers. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.